Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Looking Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish half shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring beautiful content and useful videos about women's styles, fashion and trendy ideas. Dear viewers, older age women should must try these beautiful and stunning half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Take care and give it to my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.